In today's video, we are going to explore some DIY wall art ideas that you can use to add personal touch to every room in your home. Creating your own wall art is not only a fun and creative project, but also a great way to showcase your style and personality. Let's start and see some easy and inspiring ideas. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel, where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Tip number 1: Canvas painting. Grab a blank canvas and let your imagination run wild. You don't have to be an experienced artist to create a beautiful piece of wall art. Use acrylic painting, watercolors, or even markers to bring your vision to life. Experiment with different color patterns and textures to create a unique artwork that reflect your style. Take a look at this vibrant and abstract canvas painting. It adds a burst of color and energy to the room. Remember, there are no rules when it comes to abstract art. So have fun and let your creating flow. Tip number 2: Photo collage. Gather your favorite photographs and create a collage that tells a story. You can print them in different sizes and arrange them in a visual pleasing way. Use frame, washi tapes, or even string lights to display your photo collage. It's a wonderful way to personalize your space and surround yourself with your memories. Take a look at this beautiful photo collage. It's a collection of precious moments captured in time. Whether it's family photos, travel memories, or snapshots with friends, this collage adds a personal touch and bring warmth to the room. Tip number 3: Wall hangings. Get creative with different materials and textures to create unique wall hangings. You can use macrame, fabric, yarn, or even recycled material. Explore different knocking techniques, wave pattern, and color to design a wall hanging that complements your room decor. Take a look at this woven macrame wall hanging. It's add a bohemian and cozy touch to the space. The combination of soft textures and earthy tones create a calming and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 4: Paper crafts. Unleash your creativity with paper and creative stunning wall art. You can make paper flowers, different shapes, or even coil design. Play with different color, pattern, and dimension to achieve a unique and eye-catching result. Look at this whimsical paper flower arrangement. It brings life and color to the room. Whether you choose to hang it on the wall or create a three-dimensional installation, papercraft offer endless possibilities for DIY wall art. And there you have it, some easy and practical and inspiring DIY wall art ideas for every room in your home. Whether you try canvas painting, create a photo collage, explore hanging, or experiment with paper crafting, you can add a personal and artistic touch to the space. I hope you enjoy these inspiring tips and ideas and that encourage you to embark on your own DIY wall art project. If you enjoy the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel. And thanks for joining us today. And may your wall be adorned with creative and beauty.